10 Astonishing Facts About the Kaaba in Islam. The Kaaba is perhaps the most iconic symbol of Islam. Located in the holy city of Mecca, it stands as the spiritual epicenter for Muslims worldwide. Serving as the direction of prayer, Qibla, it unites millions of believers in their devotion to Allah. Here are 10 astonishing facts about the Kaaba that highlight its significance in Islam. 1. Built by Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail. The Kaaba is believed to have been originally constructed by Prophet Abraham, and his son Ishmael, as a sacred house of worship for Allah. Over the centuries, it has undergone several reconstructions due to natural disasters and human interventions, yet its spiritual essence remains unchanged. 2. A cube-shaped marvel. The Kaaba is a cube-shaped structure standing approximately 50 feet high and 35 feet wide. Made of granite, it is draped in a black silk and gold curtain known as the Kiswa, which is replaced annually during Hajj. 3. Surrounded by the Grand Masjid al-Haram. The Kaaba is encircled by the Masjid al-Haram, one of the largest mosques in the world. During the annual Hajj pilgrimage, this mosque accommodates over 2 million worshippers, making it a hub of spiritual energy and unity. 4. The Universal Qibla. The Kaaba is the direction of prayer for Muslims worldwide. No matter where they are, be it New York, Jakarta, or Cape Town, Muslims face the Kaaba during their daily prayers, symbolizing global unity and worship. 5. Mecca, the holiest city. The Kaaba is located in Mecca, the holiest city in Islam. Every Muslim who is physically and financially able is required to perform the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in their lifetime, fulfilling one of the 5 pillars of Islam. 6. The Ritual of Tawaf. During Hajj and Umrah, pilgrims perform Tawaf, a ritual where they walk around the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. This act symbolizes the eternal orbit of creation around its creator. 7. The Black Stone, a symbol of mercy. Embedded in the eastern corner of the Kaaba is the Black Stone, Hajar al-Aswad. According to Islamic tradition, it was given to Prophet Ibrahim by the angel Gabriel. Muslims believe it to be a symbol of Allah's mercy and blessings. 8. A shift in Sheblah. Initially, Muslims faced Jerusalem, Al-Aqsa Mosque, as their Qibla. However, during the Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, time in Medina, Allah commanded the change of Qibla to the Kaaba. This historic shift occurred while the Prophet was praying in what is now known as the Mosque of Two Qiblas. 9. Annual cleaning and maintenance. The Kaaba is open twice a year for a thorough cleaning and maintenance process. A specialized team washes its floors and walls and replaces the kiswa, ensuring the sanctity and preservation of this sacred structure. 10th, a symbol of unity and resilience. The Kaaba is more than just a physical structure. It is a powerful symbol of unity for the global Muslim Ummah. It represents the oneness of Allah and the collective devotion of Muslims worldwide. Despite numerous attempts at destruction throughout history, the Kaaba has endured, standing as a testament to faith, hope, and resilience. The Kaaba is not just a building, it is a spiritual anchor for over 1.9 billion Muslims. It reminds us of our shared faith, our connection to Allah, and the timeless legacy of Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail. As we reflect on these astonishing facts, let us remember the profound lessons the Kaaba teaches us about unity, devotion, and the eternal presence of Allah in our lives.